Okay, now let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions and you have to give me brief answers. There should be 4-5 good sentences in your answer. And do not try to give me a real answer. Just try to pretend whatever you want to say, and you have to give me a beautiful answer. That's what we say. So the topic is about voice, and my first question is, has your voice ever changed?
Yes, my voice has changed. When I was a child, my voice was more soft and polite, but now my voice has changed due to age period and hormonal changes.
Due to age factor and hormonal changes.
And hormonal changes.
Okay. Is your voice similar to your parents?
No, my voice is different from my parents, but it is similar to my sister. When people feel difficulty when I pick up the call on her mobile phone.
Okay. Do you like your voice?
Yes, I like my voice because my voice is very loud. That's why I like my voice.
Okay. Now see, in your answer you are lacking reasons or you're lacking details. So try to add some details. For example, the question is, do you like your voice? Now you should give more reasons. I like my voice for a variety of reasons. First of all, something like that and all that. So, do you like to record your voice?
I don't like to record my voice because when I recorded my voice on WhatsApp, and after listening that voice,
listening to that voice,
I feel
I should not record my voice.
again.
Okay. All right. So that's good. Just try to add some. I want you to speak 4-5 sentences. For example, do you like to record your voice? No, I don't like to record my voice because once I recorded my voice on WhatsApp, and after that when I played that audio, it wasn't so good. So therefore, I would never like to record my voice. Proper answer. Okay.
Yes.
Let's go on. Does anyone in your family have similar voice?
Yes, my sister has similar voice.
I give reasons. Alright, does anyone in your family have similar voice? Yes, my sister and I, we have similar voice. Whenever I attend any call on her mobile phone, her friends usually think it's her, but actually it's me. Right? So just try to speak 4-5 good sentences. Answer again. Does anyone in your family have similar voice?
Yes, my sister has similar voice because of
because की तो ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. You don't need to say because she is my sister and I am her sister, so she has the similar voice.
People feel difficulty to judge the
to
voice,
identify
the voice, and they don't judge.
They can't judge easily who is speaking. So
yes.
I think my voice is quite similar to my sister, and it is very hard for the people to identify that. पूरा like आप ना सिर्फ you are lacking 1 to 2 sentences. 1 से 2 sentences और add करें, then you'll be fine, right? Okay, let's go on. It's your turn, please. Okay, no worries. You can just have this mic. Answer the question, then go back home. Yeah, roti is waiting for you. All right, your topic is about language, and my first question is, how many languages do you speak?
I speak English, Urdu and Punjabi. As you know, our national language is Urdu. I can speak Urdu fluently, therefore I love this language.
Okay, when did you learn to speak English?
At that time I was in standard 1.
Listen, don't start your answer from the second part. Start it from the first part. The question is, when did you learn to speak English? I actually learned to speak English when I was in 5th standard or 5th grade or 5th class, and then you can give the reason. Okay?
Well,
now please answer again. When did you learn to speak English?
I actually learned this language when
I actually learned past tense.
Yes. I actually learned this language when I was in 1 standard. Probably that time I was 5 years old when first time I learned work.
Okay, I learned to speak English. Yeah. All right. Do you think English is difficult to learn?
No, I think any language is not difficult to learn because when it based on practice. When someone practices any language,
practices
when someone practices any language, he can do
Yeah, तो फिर तुसी करदे क्यों नहीं? हाँ, सियाने ते बहुत हो लेकिन करदे नहीं हो आप. You should do it. Would you like to learn any other language in the future?
Presently, I want to move Germany.
I want to move to Germany.
I want to move to Germany, so that's why their native language is Dutch. I usually search their words and I also practice that.
Okay, so
words.
I would like to learn this language in
Yeah.
the future.
Yeah.
ठीक हो गया. Answers ठीक है. मैं थोड़ा सा 4-5 sentences and they should be relevant according to the question. And I told you should practice together as well. That will help you a lot, right? Okay, thank you.